Hey, what's up guys? We're back here with yet another video today. And today, I will be showing you guys my own little twist on how to make the best chocolate milk. So ingredients that you need, just need a glass, chocolate syrup, and some milk. Then what you need, what you need to do, step one will be just add some milk. Just about a little bit, depends how much you want. Then for the chocolate sauce, that's very healthy for you. Now here's the part. That is tricky, that everyone always messes up on, and that's why they don't have the best chocolate milk. What you want to do, close the cap, then well, open it, I guess, if you want to put chocolate milk in there. Then what you want to do is tip it upside down and hold it from about 5 feet in the air and just let it go down like that. That makes it nice, and like that makes like all the chocolate milk, all the chocolate sauce sink to the bottom and just elevates the experience of you having chocolate milk. Then what you want to do, get a spoon, then stir it, Then what you want to do, so you have it all stirred up, right? That's it, I think. And remember, when you make chocolate milk and you really just want to elevate the experience of you having chocolate milk, from about, not 5 feet, I say about 2 feet up in the air, just let it go down. That makes all the chocolate sauce go straight to the bottom. And then you can just stir it easily. And that is my own twist on chocolate milk, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you have any other video ideas, or just want to comment and say how good this video was. Comment down below. Subscribe, turn the bell on. I think I already said that, but subscribe. We passed 200. I think we're at 245 as of right now. So thanks, guys, and next video will be Friday or Saturday. Thanks for watching.